Today we are going to do an activity to understand the difference between common noun and proper noun. So let's start the activity. For this activity, I need some color papers, colors, glue, scissor and scale. First of all, I took a thick chart paper and I have pasted color paper on that chart paper, thick chart paper. And on that chart paper, I have mentioned the heading common nouns, right? Now, I have cut some slips on which I have mentioned some common nouns here. You can see that on all these strips, I have mentioned some common nouns. Who all are these? These are boys. So, boy is a common noun. Here, name of boys are not mentioned, but you know that these are boys. So, boy is a common noun. And now I will paste this chit of boy here on this strip. We'll use some glue. What are these? These are colors. So, these different pens are the colors. So, color is a common noun for these. So, I will paste it here on this strip using the glue. Using that glue, I will paste it here. Now next, where these children are going? These children are going to school. Where they are going? They are going to school. So, school is the common noun for the place where we study. So, we will paste it here on the strip. What is this? This is a river. So, once again, river is also a common noun. I will again paste it here on the strip. What are these? These are book. These are books. So, book is also a common noun. Again, I will paste it here on the strip. Next, what are these? These are different newspapers. So, newspaper is also a common noun. So, again, I will paste it here using glue. Next, what is this? This picture is a city. This picture is of city. So, city is also a common noun and we will paste it here on the strip. Now, I have placed some common nouns on these strips. Here, I have cut some strips with the black paper. Now, I will paste all these strips under each common noun. So, you see that I have pasted all these strips under the each common noun. Now, here I have some slips. You see, on each slip I have written some names. So, I will read out the name: Vishal, Sonu, Rahul, Amit. Can you guess who all are they? They all are boys. They all are boys. And it means common name for all these names are boy. And now the specific name of the boy is mentioned, Vishal. Vishal is the specific name given to a boy. So it is a proper noun. So I will paste this slip of proper noun under the common noun boy. So Vishal is a proper noun. Similarly, I will paste all these name of boys under the heading common noun boy, and all these names, individual names of the boy are proper noun. Vishal, Sonu, Rahul, Amit. Specific name of the boy is given. So these are proper noun. Next, what is the color of the strip is? Yellow. Yellow, red, blue and pink. Here I have mentioned the name of colors. So all these are the different colored strip. So color is the common noun. But when I'm mentioning the name of the color, yellow, red, blue, pink, these are the proper noun. Color is the common noun. But when I mention the name of the color, then it is a proper noun. So I will paste all these proper noun under the common noun colors. Now here I have some slips on which I have written the name of schools. APS Aknoor, Kids Planet, Kidsy, KV number 1. What are all these? These are the name of schools. So school is the common noun, and when I am mentioning the name of particular school, so that is the proper noun. So APS Aknoor, Kids Planet, Kidsy, KV number 1, they are the specific name of the school which are given. So these are the proper noun. Now I am reading some name. Ganga, Yamuna, Chenab, Brahmaputra. What are all these? These are name of rivers. So river is the common name, but when I mention the name of the river, it is a proper noun. River is a common noun. When name is mentioned, it is a proper noun. So Ganga, Yamuna, Chenab and Brahmaputra are the specific name of the rivers. So all these are the proper noun and river is a common noun. So again I will paste it here under the common noun river. Now the Jungle Book, The Snowy Day, Harry Potter, Good Night Moon. What are all these? These are name of books. So individual name of book is mentioned here. So book is the common noun, and when the name of particular book is mentioned, it is a proper noun. Suppose this is The Jungle Book. The Jungle Book is the name of the book. So this name is the proper noun and book is the common noun for all these books. So I will paste it here under the book. Now here are some name of newspapers. State Times, Daily Excelsior, The Indian Express, Amar Ujala. What all these are? These are the name of newspaper. So newspaper is the common noun, but when the name of the newspaper is mentioned, that name of the newspaper is the proper noun. So State Time, Daily Excelsior, Indian Express, Amar Ujala, all these are the proper noun. So we will paste it under the common noun newspaper. Now Mumbai, Chandigarh, Jammu, Delhi. What are these? These are the name of cities. So common noun is city. The common name of all these are city, but individual specific name is mentioned, then it is a proper noun. So Mumbai is a proper noun, city is a common noun. Jammu, Chandigarh, Delhi, all these are the proper name of the cities mentioned. So these are the proper noun, and if I say just city, it is a common noun. So we will paste it under the common noun city. Now I have pasted all these proper nouns under the each common noun. Boy, color, school, river, book, newspaper, city, all these are the common nouns. Even more than that you can use. And Vishal, Sonu, Rahul, under each common noun I have pasted the proper nouns. So all these mentioned here are the proper nouns and all these are the common nouns. And I hope now your doubt regarding common noun and proper noun have been clear. That's all we have done in this activity to know the difference between common noun and the proper noun. Thank you, kids.